First, we will install the deadbolt and latch. The deadbolt can be adjusted. Hold the deadbolt's faceplate firmly in place. With your other hand, rotate the deadbolt body 180 degrees until it stops. To return it back, just repeat the same process. The latch can be adjusted as well. First, locate the S1 toggle. It's this small lever here. Push it up. Next, press down on the 234 button and slide the bolt to the 238 position. Once adjusted, insert the bottom latch into the hole, making sure the flat face of the latch is facing the exterior. Secure it in place using the provided screws. Now insert the top deadbolt, ensuring the screw hole is positioned at the bottom. Then secure it in place. Now we will prepare the exterior panel. Use the Allen wrench to remove the handles. These will be installed later. Ensure the tailpiece is positioned horizontally. Then insert it into the latch crank. Once mounted, we will attach the spindle. Next, we will install the interior panel. Align the interior panel with the tailpiece and spindle. Secure it in place, leaving some room for adjustments if needed. Once adjustments are complete, fully tighten and secure the panel. Now reattach the exterior handle and secure it using the Allen wrench. Repeat the process for the interior handle. Lastly, ensure the lock operates smoothly by testing the handle and latch movement. And that's it! Your side plate lock is now successfully installed.